Okay, let's do a video of feeding the chickens some crickets and mealworms. Alright, chicks. What I got for you? Let's open this bad boy up. See what's gonna happen, huh? Ooh. Yeah. Insect mix. Let's get some of this. Ho ho ho. Hey, wait. Watch out.
Her name is Peek. That one is Peek.
Watch out, Peek. She's trying to peek in this. Ooh, look at those little beauties.
Are you gonna post it on YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Oh.
Blood. Chicken blood.
These
Look at those.
slimy. Worms and crickets.
No.
Uh-oh.
What?
Did I cut myself?
Oh.
Or is that just mealworms? How do these feel? Slimy.
Ew!
Oh, they're alive. Just kidding. Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh.
Ew. Honest.
Where'd that come from? Did that get on YouTube? Maybe it's from the chickens. Let's see, let me get them.
Ew.
Oh, yeah, they gobble them up.
I want to carry a Peek. Seriously.
Gobble, gobble. Don't get in the video. Don't get in the way, Jaden. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
I want to carry the chickens.
She's trying to feast on some treats.
I'm gonna give her some space.